What if your cooker could think for you, measure your ingredients, and even tell you exactly how to make the perfect meal all from your phone? Meet the Chef IQ Smart Cooker, your new kitchen genius. Connect to our free app via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and access hundreds of guided cooking recipes and culinary how-to videos, control and monitor your smart cooker, and access hundreds of presets for almost any ingredient. Easily measure ingredients and cook by weight, simplifying prep and cleanup. No measuring cups needed. 4 smart sensors measure ingredients accurately and tell you how much liquid is needed to cook to perfection. Automatically releases steam at the end of pressure cooking for increased safety and convenience. Programmed with 3 pressure release methods, quick, pulse, and natural guided cooking recipes provide step-by-step video instructions and enable you to send precise cooking parameters to your smart cooker for every step. Access hundreds of presets on the smart cooker or in the Chef IQ app. Simply input your ingredient and will provide exact cook settings and recommended cooking functions for easy one-pot meals. Receive wireless firmware updates on your smart cooker via the Chef IQ app. Your smart cooker will gain additional features and improve its cooking algorithms while sitting on your countertop. This smart multi-cooker includes a steamer rack and basket. The rack by itself is perfect for larger items like fish, chicken, or whole vegetables, while the basket is ideal for chopped veggies or dumplings. With the Chef IQ smart cooker and its app, cooking becomes easier, smarter, and more delicious than ever. From guided recipes to automatic steam release and smart sensors, it's like having a personal chef right in your kitchen. So, why wait? Upgrade your cooking experience today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, The Chef, for more smart kitchen tips, product reviews, and delicious recipe ideas.